Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me, Mr. Donald. Well, this time I'm going to tell you a short story again related to the use of simple past tense and direct speech. Please listen to me carefully. We want a room on the first floor, I said. Certainly, sir, the hotel manager answered. Have you room with private bathroom? I asked. Yes, sir, the hotel manager answered. Here are the keys to number 21. I took the keys and my wife and I went upstairs. We unlocked the door of number 21 and went into the room. We shut the door and put our keys on the floor. Listen, my wife said. There is a man in this bathroom. You are right, I said. He is singing. I knocked at the door of the bathroom. The singing stopped. This is my room, I said. Your room? A voice said angrily. Please go away. This is my room. I'm taking a bath. I'll call the manager, my wife answered. Just then, the hotel manager came in. I'm very sorry, he said. I made a mistake. Your room is next door. Here are the keys to number 22. Well, hopefully this video is very useful for you. And if you like it, please subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.